You need to prepare yourself for what could potentially happen, because there is a psychological cost of not being before the event happens. And the way you want to look at it, and this accomplishes a couple of things for you, actually. It's very good from a legal standpoint, because there's always the fight after the fight. If you have to use deadly force against someone, you're going to have some sort of legal action following it. It may be minor, it may be a full-blown trial, but something is going to happen and you're going to have to deal with it. So this actually helps you there as well. It makes your actions more defensible. But maybe even more importantly, this is how you avoid the psychological cost of doing violence to another person, right? You should set in your mind well ahead of time what the parameters are. If someone does this, then I'm going to respond with deadly force. And that should be both legally and ethically justifiable to you, your own personal moral structure, as well as the laws of wherever you're at. And then once you set those criteria in your head and understand that once that happens, it's simply math. That's why I titled the article that, the blog post that. Then you're not taking the decision-making process away from yourself. Like, you're still making the right decision. But what you're doing is you're taking that ethical decision off of yourself. You did not decide to create that situation where the other person needed to have deadly force used against them. That was their choice. And if you work all that out in your head ahead of time, you'll avoid a lot of emotional anguish and stress. Also, it will be much easier to articulate and defend your actions